of the day, when life comes at you with a blow you never saw coming, everything feels like it's slipping through your fingers, your plans, your stability, your confidence. Let me give you a tip. Just because there's a crisis, the banking sector, the lending sector, the grant funding sector will not change their requirements for paperwork. You must provide documentation that is required. And this is why your credit report becomes more than numbers on a page. It becomes your voice when you're exhausted, your proof that you've been trying, your reminder that you haven't given up. It opens the door for conversations because the people who have to make the decision to give you money are accountable. And the credit report is that tool that allows you to walk into the conversation not defeated, but determined. And if you need 6 months of breathing room, that credit report is what will allow you to regain your strength.